Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. So today in this video I'm gonna show you a easiest strategy, easiest method to make some great money online. Now we are going to use this method and we are going to earn money utilizing a platform which is known as YouTube, and you are gonna earn money with two of the streams. So you can just do this method and apply two streams of income. You can start earning two streams of income with this method. So now let's jump into the content and I will show you the entire thing and entire strategy, as well as I will tell you what you need to do to monetize this type of channel. So now let's go, and all you need to do is just go to over here and search for knowledge base. So here's the channel. Let me show you what this channel does. It's really interesting, and this is a tutorial video, so I will be showing you how he is creating this type of videos. So now let's go and see what type of video he is making. So very simple 1-minute videos. So here you can see the title of this video: how to turn off Facebook offline activity, and how to change your username in TikTok. This is something which probably most of you may know how to do this stuff. So you can see that most of his videos are just like this simple things. So how to watch movies on Netflix from another country. So there are just simple tips and tricks. How to watch American Netflix from anywhere. So you can see all these are very really simple videos. How to cancel QB subscription free trial. So that's it. So he is just he's showing how you can how to appear offline on Instagram. He is just showing very simple tricks regarding these platforms. So you can also create a video like how to upload an image on Instagram. How to just like an image on Instagram, how to find proper hashtags from Instagram. And these are not long videos, these are just 1-minute videos. You can see how to appear offline on Instagram. So you can see that how to change your logo on Android. How to appear offline on Facebook Messenger. See, all this really simple stuff which most of the people who are using probably a smartphone probably know all these things. You just know how to log out of Facebook and all this stuff, and all this guy is doing is just creating videos and teaching this stuff. How to change a font on TikTok. So that's really simple stuff which anyone can just show. So you can see how to change your YouTube password. That's it. How to enable Android dark mode. So all these really easy videos which he is creating, and these videos are just 1 minute long. And I will show you how you can create this type of videos really very easily in the simplest manner possible. So now let me show you. This is a tutorial video. So the first thing to create this type of videos, you require a screen recording software. And I highly recommend to use this software which is known as OBS Studio. It's a really great software, and the best thing about this software is it's available absolutely for free. You don't have to pay any money for this software because this is totally an open source software, and you can start making money with this software really very easily and very fast. But one thing what I need to tell you about this software is that first, you need to download this software to your computer, then go to YouTube and then watch a full tutorial on how to use this software. So that you understand all the features of the software, and it just takes 5 to 10 minutes to learn how to use this software, and it is one of the easiest one. So don't worry that you won't be able to learn how to use this software. So that's it, and just download this and you can record your create this type of screen recording videos which I am currently recording with this software. So once you have set up this software into your computer, all you need to do is click here. it would appear as start recording, because now the video is already recording, so it is stop recording. But if this video was going to be recorded, then there would appear a button which is start recording. And once you click on start recording, okay, after that you just have to speak it out. Okay, now how to so let's create a YouTube channel. On how to subscribe to a YouTube channel, so the first thing is that you need to log into YouTube. Okay, so to subscribe to a particular YouTube channel, so let's the tutorial just begin. Okay, so to subscribe to a YouTube channel, first you need to go to youtube.com. okay, now you have to type the name of the particular channel which you want to subscribe. Okay, so here is the channel name. Okay, so once you type the name of the channel, you need to go to that channel. Okay, if you want to go to that channel, you can go to that channel, or else you can just press the subscribe button. Okay, and you can also press this bell notification, so you will get notified every time this guy uploads a new videos on YouTube. And that's it. This is how you can subscribe to a YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. And that's it. This is how you are gonna create a content, and that's really easy and really simple, because these are just 1-minute videos. You can just create 5 to 10 videos just like this every single day. How to subscribe on YouTube, how to upload an image on Instagram, how to like on Instagram, how to log in to Facebook, how to sign up for Facebook, how to sign out from Facebook, how to find something on Facebook, how to join Facebook groups. All there are lots and lots of topics available. Okay, and TikTok is a really popular app, so you can just create how to upload a video on TikTok, how to change a username on TikTok, how to download TikTok to your mobile phone, how to watch TikTok videos on computer. All this simple stuff. Okay, you can create just 1-minute videos regarding all these topics and really start making a lot of money with these methods. But the best thing about this type of method is that people get a lot of traffic on these channels. Okay, so you are gonna get traffic because you are going to stick uploading 5 to 10 videos a day, and that's the reason YouTube supports consistency. So if you are consistent with this strategy, then you can make a lot of money because you are uploading every single day, and that's the reason why people are watching your videos. And the best thing about this type of channel is that people are watching your full videos, and that's the reason why you will get more views on this channel, and more views equals to more money, and that's for sure, because you know that stuff. Okay, so that's really important. Okay, and this is how you can just teach this really simple stuff on how to just use Reddit, how to use Twitter, how to use Facebook, because there are lots and lots of people who are new to the internet, who are new coming to the internet, and they are searching for this type of stuff. Okay, so once you complete your 1000 hours of watch 4000 hours of watch time and 1000 subscribers, you can apply for AdSense monetization. But another best thing which you can do is, you can see in this particular video, this guy is promoting something or not. Okay, so for now this guy is not promoting any of the affiliate products, but you can promote any of the affiliate products. For example, you just have to click on let me show you something which works fine. Okay, so let's go to Google and just search for VPN affiliate. Okay, VPN affiliate programs. And now you can see a lot of VPN affiliate programs are available over here. Now you are just you can just sign up for this VPN affiliate programs and just promote those on these videos down in the description. Okay, all you need to do is just tell the people, just have a call to action in the end, that this is how you can do a particular thing on Facebook. Okay, once your video is at the end, you just have to tell that if you want to securely browse the internet, then you can check out the VPN which I have listed in the description. Okay, and that's it. And this is how you can just do affiliate marketing stuff with this type of channel, and you can make a lot of money because that's really simple stuff and simple thing which most of the people are not willing to do. But you can create almost 5 videos, 10 videos every single day, just sitting half an hour on your desk, on your desktop or on your laptop, and then you can start making a lot of money with this channel, as you are going to upload 5 videos a day, 10 videos a day. That's the reason why you are going to grow very fast on YouTube, and you are going to get a lot of traffic on this channel. And this is how your channel will grow, and you will start making affiliate revenue, as well as the online, as well as the AdSense revenue. So you have two income streams, and you can start making this type of videos. And this type of channel can be a money making machine for you, because it continuously people are searching for this type of stuff, and they will land on your channel, they will see that, and then they will see another video, and they will see another video, that happens simultaneously. And lots of people are in search of this type of very simple things which anyone can teach and anyone can do. So this is really something which you can do as easily as possible. Okay, so this is one of the easiest strategy to make some money online and make a significant amount of money online. So just stick with this and just take action. So write down in the comment box, are you going to take action on this method? I want to see your active comments, so that I can know that you are taking action on the strategies which I am showing on this channel, and you are getting some great value. So if you got some great value from this video, then you can just press the subscribe button, so that you can get notified every time I upload this type of all awesome videos on this channel related to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. And now, just for now, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.